chicken spaghetti meal. That's spaghetti, chicken with gravy, and regular drinks.
Meron na. Lapi.
Ha? Ba't mo kasi dinadala pa?
Halika na.
McDonald's all in the Philippines with chicken and rice. Ano kailangan? Chicken.
Lapis.
Para ko ano? Chicken with rice.
Umalis ka na ako.
Chicken. Eating chicken at McDonald's. McDonald's rice.
Kumakain ako.
McDonald's breakfast, garlic fried rice, eggs, and sausages.